How to use the CapCut Autocut feature. Hello everybody, if you are wondering how, you may follow up this step. So open up your CapCut and from your screen you should be finding an option called Autocut. Right here you may tap on it to open up Autocut. And once you tap on Autocut, select up a video in which you would like to apply up the Autocut feature. After tapping on it, it will start finalizing a video and apply up the effect. It may take about some minutes according to your video size. So wait for the Autocut feature to be applied completely first. And in the bottom, you should be finding different templates available. You may use any of the templates given in order to apply the Autocut. Once the filter is applied, you may play the video and see if you want to make any changes. Otherwise, you may tap, if you're okay with it, tap on the pay to export option at the top, as it is a pro feature, so you need to pay. You need to go on with the payment method first, and then only you will be able to export it. So for now, you may follow up the step in order to export the Autocut, in order to use the Autocut feature. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.